After Sonic Sound, Malcolm Yala. Good morning everyone. Today, sound design. I'm going to make an aeroid without a synthesizer. This video is going to be in 3 parts. Part 1, the sample. Part 2, the program. Part 3, the effects. Here we go. Part 1, the sample. First thing first, if you want to make an aeroid with a synthesizer, you have to use a sine wave or a triangle wave. But today we're going to make an aeroid without a synthesizer. How I got this idea? And I asked myself, back in the days, how they make an aeroid with a drum machine without a synthesizer. But I said, they sample a sine wave. This is what I did. This is a sine wave. Part 2, the program. On my machine, I'm going to use the key group program. This key group program is going to help me to shape the sound. Here we go. To shape the sound, I'm going to use the envelope. When I mean envelope, the amplitude envelope, ADSR. Attack, decay, release, and sustain. I think a little bit of volume. Alright, let me Alright, here we go. Now the attack, now the decay. Let me go down. As you could hear, we have a kind of airway. The decay closed, you don't hear nothing. The decay open, you hear something. Now the release. Now you have the AOA. On the program, when you go into the envelope, the attack, 0, the decay, you open it. The sustain, you close it. And the release, you open it. Now, part 3, the effects. I'm going to use a EQ and a distortion. The EQ going to help me to shape the low frequency of my AOA. Now I'm going to put a distortion. now you have it. This is how I'm able to make, this is how you could make an airwave without a synthesizer. To make an airwave without a synthesizer, you have to use two types of waveform: sine wave and triangle wave. For this video I use a sine wave. The sine wave sound like this. It's kinda loud, sorry. I put it in my program on my MPC and I shape the sound with the envelope, and I use two effects. I use an EQ to boost the low frequency of my airwave, and I used a distortion to add a little bit of texture. Well, hopefully, thank you for your attention, and I'll see you in the next video.